Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided I want to wash my makeup brushes because I'm getting pimples and it's so disgusting. It's so embarrassing to even show it to you guys on the camera. But the reason that you have to wash your makeup brushes, I wash them all the time, is you don't want to get any pimples, and also all those makeup excess on the brush, it's gonna weigh down the brush and eventually ruin the bristles. So I'm gonna show you a very fast, also very affordable DIY cleaning solution. You don't need to go out there and buy anything fancy or special. You have all these things at home. So let's get into it. Let's wash my dirty makeup brushes. But you need the dish soap, because dish soap to me, it's like one of those soaps that it really gets rid of any extra greases, because it's really good for like food and plates. So that's why we're using dish soap. It can cut all the oil and grease. And I'm also adding some virgin olive oil to condition the brushes. That way they don't get super dry and over time they don't just break on me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix the dish soap, the olive oil, and also some tap water. The water you're using, you're mixing with the dish soap and olive oil, shouldn't be super hot or super cold. Basically lukewarm water. Also, you need to lay a towel or some paper towel. What I like to do is I lay a towel on right next to the sink and I put a paper towel over it for laying my brushes, because you never want to hold your brushes like this upward. I'll show you why. I also have this little guy from Sigma brushes. This is a little palette that you can actually wash your brushes. It has like different texture that it really goes deep into the brush, and you can swirl around your brushes and clean it, or you can use the palm of your hand if you don't have this. Using something very similar to this, it's easier comparing to the palm of your hand, because your hand is gonna get dry and we don't want that, and it also gets really deep into the brush bristles and clean them out. They do come in different sizes. One is the very big one that will just cover the whole sink, which that one is the great one. And this is the travel size that it came with a brush set that I purchased. Okay, so that's it, you guys. Let's get into it. I have a bunch of brushes that they're super nasty and they're super dirty, and we're gonna just clean them right now. So what you want to do is you dip your brush in the solution you already made, and then you can come over here and just kind of swirl it around the texture till it's just like all white. The soap turns completely white. This brush wasn't too dirty, so that's why it's like already white. And then what you want to do is you just wash it off. See how clean it is? It's so easy and fast. Then I'm gonna just lay it flat right here. Moving on to the next brush, I'm gonna just choose the one that it's already dirty, like this one. What I'm gonna do, dip it into the solution again, and then go on my pad and swirl it. Right here, you see all the dirt and the makeup is coming out. You wash it again. You continue washing it till you notice the soap turns white, and also the tip of your brush, it's turning white. That means it's super clean. So I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna dip it in the solution and then swirl it around. And you don't want, you want to do it gently. You don't want to like really stop the brush down and putting so much pressure on it, because that way you're gonna break the bristles and just lose all the hair. Then again, you wash it and voila, it's as clean as it can get. At the end, when you're done washing your brushes, all you're gonna do is just wash this off and you're all set. It's all good. See, it's not even messy. But let's say you don't have this. All you got is the palm of your hand. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a brush, let's say like this one. You dip it in the solution. It's the same concept, you guys. Use the palm of your hand and go circular motion and swirl it around. You can even like kind of make a bowl with your palm. I have like natural creases here for the texture. For the brushes like this, that they're super fluffy and they got more hair, you want to make sure after washing it, you're gonna just, you know, shape them the way they are and don't leave them like this and let them dry, because over time they're gonna just get the form of it and you're gonna ruin the brush. Okay, after you're done with washing the bristles, you want to just clean up the handles, because as you can see, they're disgusting. They're so dirty. They got makeup all over them and they're disgusting. What you want to do, you're gonna grab alcohol and paper towel. What I'll do is I'll grab a little bit of alcohol on the paper towel and I go straight to the handles and just clean them up, honey. Super clean, like it just came out from the factory. How disgusting is this? I mean, some of the color, I think it's coming off. Let's say this one. Around the handle, especially the grip where you hold the brush gets the most disgusting here, and it's all clean. All right, so we washed all the brushes. They're super clean. I know there are so many different solutions and products out there. Sigma makes one. I've used it. It's amazing. There are other soap bars and other stuff that you can literally go out there and purchase and wash your brushes. To me, this is the best way of not spending money, because you can always find dish soap and also like olive oil and alcohol in your house, and it's just really easy. Also, there are some wipes that Sephora sells. They're super cheap. I bought them on sale for $4 on the Sephora VIP sale. They are a little wet wipes that you can just like literally open it up and rub your brush over it and just clean up your brush. I would use those mostly for my like eyeliner brushes, eyeshadow brushes that touches around my eyes, and I just want a quick cleanup when I'm traveling or when I'm filming. Other than that, I like the deep cleansing and washing my brushes like the way that I showed you guys. Anyways, I hope you like this quick and easy video and it was helpful. If you guys wash your brushes in like different ways and you use different products, please let me know. I know some people use white vinegar, some use dish soap. I use dish soap, sorry, shampoo and soap bars. So let me know, what do you use? Comment down below. I want to try it out. And I hope you guys like this video. If you did, you know the drill. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Stay beautiful. Bye.